Namaste. Close your eyes and focus your attention on your breathing. Let's open this meditation on Vishuddha, the throat chakra, with one sound of Om. Place the palms of your hands together in front of your heart. And completely breathe out. Inhale for Om. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And inhale and out. In and out. Follow your own pace. Make sure you're sitting or laying down comfortably. And then take a deep breath in. Lift up your shoulders to your ears. And as you exhale, bring the shoulders backwards and down. And lift up your chest a little. And lower your chin slightly, creating a nice straight back. And let your breath from here on come naturally. You lie on earth and look towards the sky. The sky is clear and blue. And you take in the sky with your eyes. You take in the sky with your nose. You take in the air from the sky with your mouth and lungs. And as you exhale, you give the air back to the atmosphere. In and out. As a continuous, intimate dance with life. A rhythm. Soak yourself with fresh air from the sky above. Air intended solely for you. It has not been inhaled before by anyone else. And the air fills your entire body with life. Breathe in and hold this gift. And then breathe out and give it back to the biosphere. Can you sense how magical this balance is? Let your gaze penetrate the sky to the edge of the atmosphere, through the stratosphere, all the way to the very edge of the air that surrounds the earth. Beyond this edge, there is nothing. The blue sky is all that is there. What remains here? Take some time to absorb it all. Now, from the outer edge of the biosphere, slowly return back to yourself. From the vastness of the sky to the vastness within. As you turn inwards, gradually bring your attention to your throat, the place from where the most outer layer of your existence, your physical body, transforms and expresses your heart's desires. By expressing yourself, you produce sound. The sounds are vibrations that affect your body, the bodies of others, and your entire environment. Singing, talking, painting, writing. Forms of expression with which you shape your reality, aware and unaware. The field of vibrations that evokes your appearance takes part and influences all other fields of vibration. The essence of your physical body is vibration. If you would look far enough into a living cell, beyond the electrons and protons, you would only find vibrations, waves, frequencies. Sounds are very fine, invisible vibrations. Light is a more compact phenomenon of the same vibrations. And our consciousness and thoughts are even more subtle vibrations, vibrating in the field of our collective consciousness. It is not discernible to the naked eye, but your thoughts and intentions are extremely powerful designers of your reality. Let's take some time to contemplate on this in silence for about 4 minutes. We have begun. And slowly come back. Have you noticed what your thoughts are mainly preoccupied by? Desires, the past, the future, positive, negative. And can you express your thoughts freely, or is there a need to hide? If so, decide here and now, I am allowed to express myself. Look at the sky again. Breathe in and out. And then slowly lift your left hand. Bend your fingers and extend your index finger as if it is a pen. And write in the air, I am allowed to express myself. I go for it. So be it. Let's close this session together with one sound of Om. So place the palms of your hands together in front of your heart. And then exhale completely. Now we're inhaling for Om. When you're ready, open your eyes again. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.